Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to the automotive channel. I'm here again in the woods because I have the third car, 3 out of 3, that I've just bought, and this was actually the first one I bought out of the 3. And it's not actually my car. I bought it for my partner Hannah because she's a massive fan of these cars. I'm looking at it now, it's really nice. It needs a lot of work, but it's a really nice car, and just driving it from the garages to here, it's, yeah, I want to be driving this car more. But anyway, you've probably seen it, so let's take a closer look. It is, of course, the Alfa Spider. This is, again, is a 1996, just like my GTV, so they're both the same year, same wheels, same colour. And yeah, this was actually pretty much abandoned, just down from where we live. The day we moved in, we passed this car in a car park, and which was about 2 months ago, and we was like, wow. So before we even moved in, we knew this car was there, and yeah, I love it. It's really nice. It needs a lot of work. I go through, as usual, what needs doing. Unlike the BMW, this does need work. The BMW doesn't need nothing apart from an exhaust bracket that's just failed. But yeah, you can mainly see it's the colour. Unfortunately, red Alphas, it's common. It's very common for this to happen. Make sure I don't get run over here. But the nicest part of this car is the actual badge. It's got a brand new badge. Needs a lot more stuff, really, but you know, I can live with that. I love the headlights. I nearly purchased one of these a long time ago, and I think it was a silver one. It was silver or black. I think it was silver or black interior, and I didn't go for it in the end. Don't know why. Got the solid black leather interior inside. Got the black carpets as well, which is different to mine. Mine's got the tan carpet or grey to match the roof, but obviously this is a soft top anyway. It's a Spider. Alfa Romeo in the seats, batteries behind there as well. But yeah, it's not too bad. It does need I basically, it had a, you know, a standard CD player, not a proper Alfa one, so I've removed that, and we're going to put the cassette out of the GTV in this one for now. But we do have a proper Alfa CD player to go in it, which is still done Devon. Locking wheel nut so you don't lose it. Nice. This car is pretty much as it was when we picked it up from, well, when I bought it. It was only done the road, like I said. All we've pretty much done is gave it a good clean. The steering wheel was covered in mold. I'll show you why in a second. But what was surprising, the electrics in this all work. All the windows work. All the buttons and switches do as they should, which is nice. But what was really impressive, the mirrors work. Electric mirrors on most cars pack up eventually. These work really nicely. Let's go on to the other side. Slowly get out. You can see the seat here has had a repair job. It looks better than mine, let's put it that way. But yeah, there you go. That is the interior. I've left it in gear. The handbrake's not the best. That will be something that I have to get sorted. It's not got an MOT on it yet. We're going to get the MOT done, but we know it needs a few things. Tyres being one of them. In fact, both Alphas need tyres, which is not too bad. I can live with that. It's had a repaint on the bonnet before and front bumper, and I believe rear bumper, if I can remember rightly. There you go. I couldn't remember if it had a front. It might have had front. I know when I was T-cutting, because it had a nasty scratch across here. Still needs a bit of work, but black as well where it rubbed against something. So I got all of that out. Just needs cleaning these light scratches up now. And you can see down here as well. But it's had a bonnet repaint. One of the things that get done quite often with these is the bonnets. This one's covered in stone chips across the front, which, yeah, it doesn't help it. We will probably get the bonnet redone again on this one. The GTV is not too bad, but this one, yeah, definitely needs it. Wipers I had to put new wipers on. They do work now. The original wipers, they just disintegrated when we lifted them up to clean the window. So new wipers on it, just stuff like that really. The front bumper doesn't seem to be attached properly here, so what we're going to do is have a day where we take the front bumper off. There's a load of mud built up in the bottom down there, so it's not fitting properly, so we'll get that one sorted as well. But yeah, the car's looking good here. It's looking really nice. Obviously I can see more damage to the paint than you guys will see. This entire quarter panel here is completely faded, just yeah, gone. Also, unfortunately, the badge has gone down here, which is very unfortunate because these badges are not that cheap. I don't know if it's been painted before. I don't know. It might have had a repaint. I think there's 8 owners on this one, so you never know. Nice with the wheels to match mine. It's had a back box delete, which makes it sound a little bit different. But let's talk about the roof, because of course it does have a roof, and you may have noticed it's not clipped in here. So basically what's happening is every time you push that in and clip the front in, it pours it out. We haven't diagnosed the problem yet, but we think it might be a clip in there. It's not strong enough to hold it in. I hope it is that. If not, it might be the roof itself. But with the roof down, which we will do one day, it's not the best weather today, unfortunately, to show you the roof down, but it's kind of going anywhere, so you guys will see a lot of videos on this one. I did remove the aerial as well, so the aerial was stuck up and it wouldn't go back down, unfortunately, so I removed it and I said to Anna, look, you can have mine off the GTV, because the one on the GTV works. So I'll be fitting that one because she does want to keep this car 100% original, and I don't blame her. It needs that. But yeah, there you go. That is the third car we bought. There's not really much to show you on it apart from the paintwork. It just needs a repaint. I think the past MOT we will have to do brakes and tyres. The exhaust is okay, it's not leaking or blowing anywhere, which is nice because we just found out that's what's happening with the BMW Z3. So we'll get that sorted, put him in for MOT. If he does fail for anything else, then obviously we'll address that as we have to. Underside is very clean. There's some corrosion, surface rust, nothing that's gone through, which is good. But yeah, there you go. That is the third car, and yeah, it's a nice one. I want to do plenty of more videos on it, so don't worry. It's not like some of the cars we get on here. Anna has no desire to sell it. It's her car. I bought it for her as just a present to say thank you. And yeah, there you go. So next time you see this one will be with the GTV, because we want to do a comparison video. They do look good together. So we got his and hers basically. Don't know what she's calling this one. I think I'm calling mine Enzo. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and if you want to see more on this car, let me know in the comments below. Bye for now.